Even if you are super creative, it's very difficult nowadays to publish content on your site that can't be found anywhere else and will rank on Google. Everything has been written about in one form or another. So instead of reinventing the wheel and trying to come up with original ideas, you are better off trying to outrank your competitors by producing content that offers better value than they do. This is how. Let's say you are a realtor and want to publish an article on your blog to target the keyword best neighborhood in Austin because it has a decent amount of searches every month and could potentially lend you some leads. Head over to the Google Chrome store and search for an extension called SEO Minion. Then install it on your browser. Make sure you pin it to your toolbar so you can easily access it. Once you've installed SEO Minion, head over to Google and search for your targeted keyword, which in this case is best neighborhood in Austin. Click on the first result, then click on the SEO Minion icon from your toolbar. This will bring up a side panel giving you access to the full SEO analysis of this particular page. There is a ton of useful information in there, but the one option you want to focus on is the one called Analyze on-page SEO. This will break down all the SEO components of this particular page. The one we are interested in is called Headings. The headings section highlights all the topics being addressed on this page. Click on the download link and open the file in a spreadsheet. You'll see the page structure in detail. Repeat this process with the top 5 to 10 results and bring everything on the same sheet. Remove duplicates, similar topics, or irrelevant information across all the results. You will be left with a unique structure for a page that includes more topics related to your target keywords than any of the pages ranked in the top search results combined. You can either write the content for it yourself or get it done by a professional copywriter. This will result in a page that provides outstanding content value. Google will love it and will reward you with some good rankings. Don't forget to like the video, and until next time, happy marketing!